We're going to let a be an 8-bit number and consider the following operation. b is equal to a, where a is ANDed with 0x20, where a and 0x20 is performed bit by bit. So now we want to consider b as a Boolean value, and we're asked what is the relationship between a and b. So let's solve this by first starting this right, without writing this out. We know that we have an a here, and a is hexadecimal. So a is going to equal to 10, and then we have more of course, but we're not going to be looking at those here. So a is 10. If we write this out, 4 bits, we have 2 cubed, 2 squared, 2 1, 2 0. For a, it's going to be the following. We are going to have 2 cubed as 8, so it's 1. 2 squared is 4, so we're not going to add this in here. We just want 2 to the first, because that's 2. So adding this all together is going to give us 10. So that means our a is going to be, well, we have our a7, which we don't know, a6, a5, and a4. That means that the rest of this is just going to be 1, 0, 1, 0, which we found out. And then our b is going to be our 0x20. So inside of here, we are going to have a 0, 0, and then a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And this is because the last 4 bits are of this 0. Now, the next 4 bits are of this 2. We have this right here. And the 2 comes from here. So you have like 0, 0, 1, 0. That's how we would use them. Now, that's not b, that's actually 2. So, let's AND these together. Typically when we're ANDing, we're going to be setting. So, or we're actually going to be clearing, sorry. ORing the setting. So, how does this affect b? What is the relationship? It's not just affecting it, it's asking for the entire relationship. Well, is b going to be false or true at this point? Well, this point is going to be our 5th point. So it says if and only if bit 5 of a is 1. So bit 5 of a, let's say that it's 1 here. Well, if it's 1, 1 and 1 being ANDed together is going to give us a 1. So it's going to be true if it's a 1 right here. And let's look at this right here also, because we can have multiple choices. b will be 0x20 if bit 5 of a is 1. Well, if bit 5 of a is 1, and we add all of these together, notice how 0x20 is all zeros except for this 1. So this is going to be true as well. Now, let's look at this next one. b will be 0x00 if bit 5 of a is 0. Well, if bit 5 of a is 0, since it's ANDed together, 0 and 1 is going to be 0. That means all of these are going to be 0 when we solve for our b ANDing them together. So b is going to be 0. And that is how we would solve this. So these 3 are our answers.